In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Kraken Pro. To do this, open up the Kraken Pro app or website and first just head over to your portfolio. From there, click on the withdraw button and you can then choose if you want to withdraw crypto or a fiat currency such as euro. Now if you want to withdraw directly to your bank or another option, then you want to select euro and then here click bank account and just manage accounts if you want to add a new one or select one if you already have it. Then choose how much you want to withdraw, click next and then confirm it. If you want to withdraw to another wallet, then select a cryptocurrency such as Tether and then here click add withdrawal address unless it's already there and then just choose the network. Then enter the withdrawal address and then you will need to confirm it in your email. And after you do that, you can then select it from the list and also withdraw to that. So that's two ways to withdraw money from Kraken Pro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.